Crash course on New Zealand sports, an exploration of New Zealand's favorite sports, including rugby, cricket, and netball. New Zealand is a nation with a rich sporting history and culture. From rugby to cricket and netball, the country has produced some of the world's finest athletes and teams. In this crash course, we'll explore some of the most popular sports in New Zealand, along with their history, significance, and impact on the country's culture. One of the most beloved and iconic sports in New Zealand is rugby. The All Blacks, the country's national rugby union team, are widely regarded as one of the greatest sports teams in history. The team's haka, a traditional Maori war dance, is an iconic and awe-inspiring sight that is deeply ingrained in New Zealand's sporting culture. Another popular sport in New Zealand is cricket. The country has a proud history in the sport, having produced some of the world's finest cricketers, including Sir Richard Hadlee and Martin Crowe. The Black Caps, the country's national cricket team, have also enjoyed great success in recent years, reaching the final of the 2019 ICC Cricket World Cup. Netball is another sport that enjoys widespread popularity in New Zealand. The Silver Ferns, the country's national netball team, have won 4 Commonwealth Games gold medals and are ranked as one of the top teams in the world. But New Zealand's sporting culture extends far beyond these 3 sports. Let's take a look at the top 12 most popular sports in New Zealand. 1 Rugby Union, 2 Cricket, 3 Netball, 4 Football, Soccer, 5 Rugby League, 6 Basketball, 7 Golf, 8 Tennis, 9 Athletics, 10 Cycling, 11 Swimming, 12 Surfing. Each of these sports has its own unique history, culture, and significance in New Zealand. For example, Rugby League has a strong following in the country's Pacific Island communities, while basketball has seen a surge in popularity in recent years thanks to the success of Steven Adams, a New Zealand native who currently plays in the NBA. One interesting story that showcases the passion and dedication of New Zealand sports fans involves the 1995 Rugby World Cup. The All Blacks were widely expected to win the tournament, but were knocked out in the final by South Africa. Despite the loss, the team received a hero's welcome when they returned home, with thousands of fans lining the streets to greet them. The team's captain, Sean Fitzpatrick, later said that the support they received from the fans helped them to get through the disappointment of the loss. Another example of New Zealand's sporting passion and resilience can be seen in the aftermath of the 2011 Christchurch earthquake. The city's iconic AMI Stadium, which was home to the Canterbury Crusaders rugby team, was badly damaged in the earthquake. Despite this, the team was able to continue playing, thanks in part to the resilience and determination of the players and fans. In summary, New Zealand is a nation with a rich and diverse sporting culture. From rugby to cricket, netball to surfing, the country's sports have played a significant role in shaping its history, culture, and identity. And while the country may be small, its sporting achievements and traditions are celebrated around the world. Poem. New Zealand's sports are tough and strong, with a passion that runs deep and long. From rugby to netball and cricket too. These sports bring Kiwis together like glue. The haka before a rugby game sends shivers down spines, igniting flame. The All Blacks with their black jerseys on bring a sense of pride to everyone. In cricket, they play with skill and grace, their teamwork a true winning ace. And in netball, they dominate the court, a force to be reckoned with, no retort. New Zealand's sports are more than just a game. They're a way of life, a source of fame. With legends like McCullum, Carter, and Langman, they've shown the world what it means to be a champion. Song. Verse 1. In the land of the long white cloud, they play sports that make you proud. From rugby to netball and cricket too, New Zealand's athletes shine through. Chorus. With the haka before a rugby game, their spirit and passion are never tame. The All Blacks with their black jerseys on bring a sense of pride to everyone. Verse 2. In cricket, they play with class. Their skills and teamwork unsurpassed. And in netball, they rule the court. Their victory's a true sport of fort. Chorus. With the haka before a rugby game. Their spirit and passion are never tame. The All Blacks with their black jerseys on bring a sense of pride to everyone. Bridge. From Jonah Lomu to Dan Carter. Their legends will never falter. New Zealand's sports are more than just a game. They're a way of life, a source of fame. Chorus. With the haka before a rugby game. Their spirit and passion are never tame. The All Blacks with their black jerseys on bring a sense of pride to everyone. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences New Zealand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to New Zealand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.